Hi guys, welcome back. In this video we are going to remove an object from a picture by using Photoshop. So let's get started. First of all, we have to open a file over here, and here I will choose any picture of them. Choose this one and enter. And now I want to remove this coffee cup from this picture. So first of all, I will take a duplicate layer of this picture and I will press Ctrl J. So once you're done with your duplicate layer, you have to hide your background layer and you have to work on your duplicate layer. And now I am going to use lasso tool. I am going to make selection of this cup. So guys, once you're done with your selection, and now you have to go your edit option, and here you will see fill. You have to click on fill, and as you can see, here are some options, and you don't need to choose any of them. Just make sure your option set on content aware. And now you have to press OK, and in just few seconds you will see your object will be completely removed from your picture, and it's done. So guys, as you can see, your coffee cup has been completely removed from your picture, and you can remove any object from your images by using this amazing tool, which is content aware tool. So guys, this is how to remove an object from a picture. So hope you like it. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself.